hopefully you're having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're watching this in the world. My name is EQ and welcome to Stonkaholics. Now today we're going to be talking about a real gem, one that's not even listed on CoinMarketCap and doesn't even have a chart to talk about. So this is a real gem that I think is going to boom. So we want to get into this very early. It's on a huge ecosystem, aka Cardano. And you know we love our DEXs and you know we love our decentralized exchanges. But before we get into this video, if you could throw a like on the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go check out our Crypto Accelerator program, or join our Discord family, that would all be greatly appreciated. And without further ado, let's roll the intro. Now today we're going to be talking about SundaeSwap. SundaeSwap, as you can see, is untracked and unlisted on CoinMarketCap.com. Even if I wanted to go search this on CoinGecko, you're going to get pretty much the same thing. It'll probably just say coming soon. Now, SundaeSwap is going to be a decentralized exchange that is listed on Cardano. It's going to be one of the first Cardano and probably one of the biggest Cardano DEXs. Now, you can see preview only on here as well. This is supposed to be released Q4 of 2021. Obviously, we're in Q4 now, so we're waiting to see when this is going to be released, but more than likely within the next month. We should see SundaeSwap get released, especially now that the Cardano smart contracts are out and valid. As long as those smart contracts work, this SundaeSwap DEX is going to be working. Now, we're getting in ground floor on this one. I'm talking about there's nothing listed on here. I can't even show you any sort of chart or anything because it doesn't exist for public sale, so there's no market cap listing, none of that. So right out the gate, you're going to get a really great opportunity to jump on one of the first DEXs in Cardano, which obviously is a massive ecosystem that we all know about. Now this is going to act similar to a pancake swap, or if you just saw the most recent video on Trader Joe, or a UniSwap, or a sushi swap, or 1inch. This is a decentralized exchange, but on Cardano. It will be a scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol. Now you'll have democratized ownership and profits, aka a DAO. You'll have efficient liquidity and a foundation for a variety of services, which they'll be talking about a little bit later. They haven't even released a lot of this information yet. Some of their founders and their institutional money is from C Fund, Alameda Research, and as well as Double Peak. They also have a couple partners, MLab and Runtime. I don't know too much about either one of these, but they seem like some pretty big companies. And they have a lot of social media at the pool, especially for a company that hasn't even been released yet. Now, if you go into their Twitter right now, they have 210,000 followers. So this is something that can pop off. All it takes is one tweet from SundaeSwap Labs, and this is going to go absolutely bananas, and people are going to be buying this left and right. And as you can see, they're doing a lot of listings. The ISO vote postmortem is here. You already have these speakers and exhibitors speaking about SundaeSwap. So the dev team is active, their social media team is active, and they're getting ready to absolutely pump this project when it gets released. And as you can imagine, there's already a bunch of people, even if you were to type SundaeSwap on YouTube, that are coming up posting videos about it. So if you have a lot of influencers that are already talking about these projects before it gets released, that's a big thing. And just so everyone knows, this is not paid by any means. None of the content that I put on YouTube so far has been paid. So now if you go into their white paper, it's also pretty basic. It just explains the AMMs and how the pools are going to work and how the matrix works with price. All of the calculations and the algos that are going to go into these prices. Pretty generic stuff. I'm assuming when they actually release the I'm assuming when the actual product is released, we're going to get a much more in-depth white paper. But for at the moment, we just get a short and sweet 11-page paper. But I do think that this has a lot of potential to make moves. Now, because we don't have a lot of information on this project, this is going to be short and sweet. We're going to be posting a lot more information on this on YouTube, as well as the Discord group. We'll be talking about this regularly and trying to get into the initial listings and things like that. So make sure to go join our Discord or go check out our Premium Accelerator program. And if you didn't get a chance to already, make sure to throw a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hopefully you have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're watching this in the world. And we'll catch you on the next video.